And then I'm going to just cut along those lines. There's one. This section we'll remove, and this section we will not remove. So just cut right along those lines like that. Okay, now we'll just do a little bit of folding. You want to fold down this flap like so. Fold it that way, and then fold it the opposite way, like that. So you have something that looks like that. Then we'll fold this section diagonally up, like that. So it goes pretty much straight and even, and flip it over and do the same on the other side. It looks a little strange, but you'll see how it works in the end. Now you're going to fold up these bottom triangles like that, flip it over and do the same on this side, folding it up. And then the last fold, we're going to fold the triangles into the center, so we open up the plane a little bit there and fold in these sections. So what this does is it makes a nice heavy front for the plane, and that will help propel it through the air. Now just take one small bit of tape and we'll tape the nose closed. Just one piece of tape right across the nose of the plane. Now to fly this plane, you're just going to fold the wings down like this, and it flies very nicely. And you can send it in the mail flat like this, and just tell them to fold that down, and we're ready to fly. And that's a nice little toy to send through the mail.